Our company, Zhongshan Jacal, was started in 2001. Our teams are creative and energetic. We are aiming to develop quality kettles for your home and office. This is a 1.7-liter stainless steel electric kettle. It is a great addition to any kitchen. Sit in your kitchen to give your home a modern but chic feel. It is compact and sleek design with practical performance. With a 1.7-liter capacity jug, you can be sure to boil enough water to serve several cups, making it ideal for family. In addition, its rapid boiling feature can heat up water from tepid to boiling in just a few minutes, so that you won't be waiting long for your water to be boiled. The push-to-open lid provides a simple and easy solution to open the kettle efficiently. When it fell down, the anti-flow cover design ensures the water will not be spluttering and spilling all over your worktop. The handy cool-touch handle is heat-resistant, which allows you comfortably handling of kettle anytime. On and off switch is concisely lit under Jacal patented thermometer. Given simplified layout, the built-in thermometer reflects temperature of water, so that controlling water within desired range of temperature for brewing different kinds of tea is achievable. Power base is designed to hide under the bottom of kettle. Given integrated vision, it is heat insulated. You can place it on any flat surface. Besides, it has cold storage, helping you to keep your worktop neat and tidy. We're offering you stylish ways to enjoy your drinking. Our products are designed with real people in mind. We would like you to enjoy with art of drinking.